Tapo C410 review. Installation and setup guide. Best wire-free outdoor security camera kit by TP-Link. Looking for an outdoor security camera without the hassle of running power cables? The TP-Link Tapo C410 could be a practical option, especially when paired with its solar panel kit. But is it really worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Tapo C410 is a wire-free outdoor camera with a rechargeable battery and 2K 3MP video resolution. It uses 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and doesn't require a separate hub, making setup relatively simple. For security monitoring, the camera offers a 125-degree diagonal field of view, person and motion detection, customizable activity zones, and two-way audio. At night, you can use infrared or color night vision with built-in spotlights to improve visibility. Storage is flexible too. You can record locally using a micro SD card up to 512 GB, or use Tapo Care cloud storage if you prefer online recording and additional features. Battery life is one of the key selling points. TP-Link rates it for up to 180 days under specific test conditions. But actual battery life will vary depending on motion activity, settings, Wi-Fi conditions, and other factors. If you choose the solar kit, the included Tapo A201 solar panel can recharge the camera when it receives sufficient sunlight. This can reduce how often you need to remove the camera for charging. Although correct panel placement is important, setup is handled through the Tapo app. Connect the camera to Wi-Fi, configure detection settings, choose your recording options, and then mount and adjust the camera. Its IP65 rating also makes it suitable for outdoor use. However, there are limitations. The camera records at up to 15 frames per second, only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and is primarily designed around motion-triggered recording rather than continuous recording. Overall, the Tapo C410 is a good fit if you want flexible outdoor monitoring, easy installation, and the convenience of battery or solar charging. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what product you'd like to see next.